What's going on, guys? Farm177 here, and today I was going to show you my 1979 MGB that I pulled out of the woods from right down there. You probably can't really see it, but you might not know, but about a year ago I made a video pulling this thing out of the woods. There was a lot of weeds and stuff growing up around it. There was a lot of animals that were living inside and a lot of insects. There was actually a wasp nest, multiple of them, underneath the fenders, and they were all flying out when we pulled it out. You can go see that in the video. But basically this video was just showing you the progress that I've done so far, everything I've done to it on the inside of the engine, everything I've done on the interior, and I'll even crank it up and show you how it runs, because I actually managed to get it running. So yeah, let's cut to that. Alright, so here is the engine. I have replaced this hose right here. This is connected to the radiator. This is a radiator hose. Replaced this one too. I used the same little hose clamps. I got these replaced right here. Now this hose right here is actually kind of a funny story. As you can see, it doesn't look very new. It's because we didn't get the right hose for this one, and so what we did was there was already some weird hoses that were in here before we replaced anything, and so we took those and kind of jerry-rigged it with the new hose that we bought, and we made it work. I mean, as you can see here, this doesn't exactly look like it's the best thing in the world, but it works, and that's all I really care about. So as long as it works, it's good with me. So we also replaced this fan belt right here, or drive belt. And also this right here is the gas tank. It's a gas tank off an old lawnmower. We are using it currently to feed fuel into the engine, because the actual gas tank for the car is rusted on the inside. We got to get that relined. And it's also not connected to the car. It's in the trunk, so I don't think it would work very well in the trunk and disconnected. So we got this one. So, yeah, basically that's it. Everything in here works engine-wise, not really electronics-wise. Basically, none of the electronics work at all. Like, nothing. Nothing works. Only the engine. The engine is the only thing that works, and that's it. So, yeah, let's take a look at the interior. Alright, so here is the interior. I still have it, kind of tarped up. There's a creepy-looking spider right there. So yeah, let's get this opened up here. Normally this is easier. Alright. So, take a look in there. I've ripped the seats out because they were beyond fixing or saving, and replaced them with these boxes. These boxes have parts in them that were in the car. There's the battery cover right there, and the antenna. And yeah, this is what the interior of the car looks like. Here is the steering wheel. We got the speedometer that's all fogged over. The gas pedal, a bunch of stuff. As you can see here, the floor is rusted out. It's kind of dusty in here. But the floor is rusted out. It's the same on the other side. You can see right through the floor. So yeah, we are going to crank this thing up and show you how it runs. Alright, so you've seen everything I've done to the inside, and So, yeah, I think it is time to start it up. Now, something I have to do first is reposition the old gas tank here. Wait, no, it's the right way before. Alright. I don't even remember how I had this thing. Let's see, because it's not going to work. Well, first we're going to take this thing off. Clamp to keep the fuel from coming out the tank and going into the engine when we don't want it to. Yeah, we will like that, I presume, and we'll crank it up, see how it works. So, let's see here. My stupidity has caused me to forget that I need the keys to start the car. I will be right back. Alright, so now I have the keys, because of my small, dumb brain, forgot them. So, yeah, let's see how it starts. If it starts, that is. I guess it'd be easier to open the door. Took some of this off here. There you go. That makes it easier, not really. Alright. Here we go. Into the car I go. Now, as you can see, it idles, so that's good. So yeah, let me try and get you a closer look in here. Very loud, so that's the thing. But yeah, it somehow worked. So, yeah. So basically that was all I was wanting to show you guys. Just, what I have done to the car so far, and, me not forgetting the keys. So, yeah, there it is. Just, I will try and keep you updated on, whatever I do to the car next. So, yeah, I will see you in the next video.